This is gonna blow your mind. You're mostly made up of microbes. Your body is home to trillions of bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microbes. These tiny organisms, collectively known as your microbiome, actually outnumber your human cells by a ratio of 10 to 1. Why does this matter? Well, these microbes are crucial for digestion, immune function, and even mood regulation. Essentially, you're a walking ecosystem with a microscopic world inside you. The majority of these microbes live in your gut, but they're also found on your skin, in your lungs, and pretty much everywhere else. Scientists are just scratching the surface in understanding how this microbial diversity affects our health. But one thing's for sure: maintaining a balanced microbiome is key to overall well-being. So next time you think about being human, remember, you're also a thriving community of microbes. Amazing, isn't it? Swipe up to learn more about your incredible microbiome. Banti.